Okay, let's do a review on this guy. This is the 24-hour outdoor mechanical timer. 6-way garden power stake. It has 6 power outlets. The timer unit itself. This stake is kind of neat. If you're going to put it out for temporary use, like I intend to use it at Christmas time when I put out extra lights out in the yard. And I've been searching for something like this that's this easy to deal with that way. Now, the rest of the time, I'm going to use it to replace my Malibu light timer, my 12-volt lighting system timer, because the timer's the same thing in here. It's like a mechanical timer. The dark part is nighttime, the light part is daytime. There's an arrow that points exactly to what time of day it is, and you change that by turning this. Now this unit has these, the way this works to turn on and off the timer is if with all these little tabs around the edge turned up, it won't come on. But if you turn some of them down, like let's say between 9 and 11 in the morning, then as this timer turns, it will trip the lighting. Now this switch here is either permanently on, like forcing it into the manual on position, or down here there's a little clock face, and that's what puts the timer into play. There's a reset button here, half a dozen plugs. The power outlet they'll handle together is kind of impressive. 15 amps at 1875 watts, resistive or tungsten. It's rated at 1 horsepower, TV-5 rated. Now this little thing here is so that you can put a screw into a post or something else, and then you hang this over the screw, and that's more of a permanent solid mounting. But for temporary uses, this is pretty cool. It also came with a couple of pieces of paper. This one has QR codes to register and get any warranty work done. And this is like your operating instructions, and I'm sure there's plenty of pages on safety also. Came from Century. Here's the top of the box. And one more thing I wanted to point out is where the cord goes when you close it. The cord goes to these, and these are spring-loaded, which is pretty cool. Now the seal is nice because it comes all the way around here, and even the bottom parts have these spring-loaded clips. And when you open it, you'll see it looks like a Pelican box inside. It has this recessed fitting here, and it presses right against the seal over here that you can see. And when it's tight, it's tight. And it's dry as a bone. I'm pretty happy with this thing. I'd give it 5 stars. Thumbs up.